Hello students, welcome in a knowledge gateway. Today we will do activity of standard 6 subject maths chapter number 2 whole number. In this activity we will learn about distributive property of multiplication over addition. For this activity, we will use counter. Here I used blue color counter, and by using counter, I made one rectangle. You can see here. So let's start. Students, here you can see blue color counter is here, and you can observe here rectangle is here. So, because rows and columns are different, you can observe here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Horizontal line indicates my rows and vertical line indicates my column. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and rows are 1, 2, 3, 4. So, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Now total how many counters are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I have 20 counters. As I told you, distributive property in a distributed means share something. Distribute means share something. So, if I will share some portion of this rectangle to anyone, if you will share with your friend or anyone like this, you can see here I share some portion with anyone. So, now you can observe here my rows and columns are different. So, student, as we did earlier, one big rectangle, it is equal to 20, that you all know. Now I have two shapes are here, but it is not a square, it is also rectangle. But if you observe here, I have rows, 4 rows, and here also I have 4 rows. It means I distributed only columns. You can see here I have 3 columns and here I have 2 columns. So now we will calculate. First of all, you all know we distributed our column. So 3 column and here 2 column means we distributed 5. How? 2 plus 3, but 4 means rows are same, so we have to multiply 4. You can see here. Now what I have to do, 4 into 2, you can see rows and it is my column, so I will do 4 into 2 and addition of these 2 rectangle, so 4 into 3. It is my 4 into 3. So 4 2s are 8 plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to my 20. You can see here, you observe here 2 shapes are here. So I taken rows and columns, But if we will go theoretically, then you can observe here 4 into 2, it is my first step, and 4 into 3, it is my second step. So it is right, verify also. Now I hope you all can understand the distributive property. Distributive means share something. So I share some portion of the counter of the rectangle to other member, and I got 2 shapes here. And we verify also our answer, because as earlier we have one rectangle only, that is our 4 into 5, and our answer is 20. And now our answer is 20 by 2 rectangle also. Now students, watch this video and learn distributive property of multiplication over addition. Let's start.
Hello. Hello.
Students, now we will see the rule for distributive property of multiplication over addition can be written as A multiply B plus A multiply C. You can see here.